If your WhatsApp is full of old conversations and you don't want to waste time searching through each chat, we have the solution. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to delete all chats on WhatsApp in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to clean up your inbox, free up space on your phone, or simply get rid of old messages, this guide will help you achieve all of that quickly. First, open your WhatsApp app. Once inside, you'll see 3 dots in the top right corner. Tap on them to open the Options menu. In the menu that appears, select Settings. Once you're in the WhatsApp settings, look for the Chats option and tap on it. When you're on the Chat settings page, scroll down and find the Chat history option, then tap on it. In this section, you'll see several options. Find the option to delete all chats and tap on it. Then, in the pop-up window that appears, if you want to delete media received in chats from your device's gallery, check this option. This will remove all media from your phone, while keeping them saved within the WhatsApp app. If you want to keep the media in your phone's gallery, simply leave this option unchecked. Finally, tap on Delete Chats and all selected chats will be deleted. After that, your WhatsApp will be cleaned of old conversations and space on your device will be freed up. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon.